This Cinnamon Swirl Apple Cake is to die for. It's so good, you'll think it came from a bakery, and it's delicious. Oh, yeah.
My God, what did you eat?
Start with 2 Granny Smith apples and dice them up. Now you make your cinnamon sugar, and you coat your diced apples up completely in your cinnamon sugar. Now you make your cinnamon filling. Some brown sugar, some cinnamon, and some butter. Mix that all together for your filling. Now for the cake, you want some flour, some sugar, and some baking powder. Give that a stir. Add some milk, the eggs, and some vanilla extract, and mix that thoroughly. Add your cinnamon-coated apples into the cake batter. Pour the cake mixture into the cake tray. Now add your cinnamon filling mixture in dollops across the cake batter and give that a swirl with your knife. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Mix some powdered sugar with some milk to create your icing for the top. Spread that over the top. Cut yourself a slice and enjoy.